Alright, I'm doing my live fire testing of this camping stove prototype, as seen in a previous video. And I'm inside, so for the purposes of this video I used alcohol. Just regular old 91% rubbing alcohol. And if you want to learn how to make this, you can see my previous video. And it took about 30 seconds to boil water, like so. Incredibly efficient. Portable, easy use. And for this demo I've used an old can to simulate cooking, but I also made this little cooking cauldron for it, which is just a cap. You can use a 10 and 3 bolts for legs, like so. And they're sealed so nothing will leak with washers and tighten down, and that fits right on top. So I could cook a small meal in there and set it aside. But wow, that is really working good. And I could put a small saucepan on here, or what have you, for cooking. Wow, that is really working good. I hope my channel inspires you. Please subscribe. Please click like.